Okay, a super brief video on how to change your license plate bulbs and without having to take the whole trunk liner out. First thing you want to do is take this trim piece out. It's got some clips in it all along, so be aware of those. Now this one I've already pulled out to show you how these lenses are held in. This is how they are in the car. Now on the sides there's release clips. There's one on this side, one on this side. That's what actually holds it in your trunk lid. And then when you push it back in, you can see those clips are going to clip it right back in there. So super easy to get these out without taking the trunk liner out. Just use a screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch your paint. And push these clips, push one side in, try pulling that side out. Then with another screwdriver, push that other side in, and then pull it straight down. It should come out. If you got a pretty typical bulb holder right here, all you have to do is twist it counterclockwise, pull that out, and change your bulb. And the bulb's a blade type. You just pull those straight out and pop a new one right in there. This is the one I'm using, but there's a lot of different brands. But typically, you get a 2-pack of these for $4 or $5. Super cheap. That's really all there is to it. Good luck, and get those lights fixed.